spreading love and affection and purchasing new clothes and celebrating together and having feast together. So we are all looking forward to, I think, on 28th March, our Eid al-Fitr function may happen. 19th or 20th, depending on when the the crescent will be seen at the mercy of the moon. But we are eagerly waiting for Eid al-Fitr, and we bow our head before all of you who are sending a message to the entire world that the religion of Islam teaches us how to be kind, how to be compassionate, how to spread the message of love for the entire humanity. And I congratulate all the international students of AU who have assembled here to participate in this Iftar Windu, that is Iftar feast. And I also feel fortunate that I have been invited to this function. I request that every year this function should be held in such a grand manner. All the university students should join, and through this message, through this function, we spread the message of harmony and brotherhood to everyone in AU and beyond. Thanks to all the organizers for organizing this function in such a grand manner. Thank you.
Now our present CP sir is the public police, not the private police. Sometimes anybody CPs come, they will put some curtains. Now anybody will go to any issues, immediately receiving the people. It is the present, he is the actually real Visakhapatnam peaceful city. Like that, he CP sir also is a very honorable man. Any common man also can give these complaints. He approached. Now, one small example we will see. Sir, recently, street beggars, you collected all the beggars and given the food to them for some different places. This news spread to all over India also. Somebody sent to the paper according to me. I did not see actually. Then I followed. This is everybody appreciating this occasion, sir. Though actually, up to now, any CP did like this. This is first time in Visakhapatnam city, sir. Not only Visakhapatnam city, in Andhra Pradesh also. This is first time, sir. So once again, I congratulate we have our organization, sir.
My Women's Day.
So for all the women who are here, wishing you happy Women's Day. And I also want to share my personal contact number 79950 95799. In case any of you face any trouble, any problem, any issue, any difficulty, be it day, be it night, as long as you are in Vizag and I am in Vizag, please don't forget me and please don't forget this number. I am just a phone call away and I will rush to your assistance and help you in whatever way I can help you. So the number once again 79950 95799. Let it be a weapon in your hand to tackle anyone who is trying to commit crime, and a shield in your hand to protect yourself from any troublemaker. Thank you once again. Wishing you all the best in life and career. Thank you.
Another important thing I want to tell, sir, here because recently we have conducted one program on drugs, the dangerous drugs. CP sir has given 20 minutes presentation, how the drugs will be affected right from head to toe and how your organs will be affected and how the society is spoiled. The 20 minutes presentation of CP sir is very much important to see everybody and forward to your friends so that drugs can be controlled. After he has given the 20 minutes presentation in the Ayurlova, when women were conducting that program, that has spread to the entire nation and in the state also. Several areas now the campaign to prevent the drugs has taken place. This is the university, very important place. So I am Ahmed Advocate in that is there. You go to the YouTube and I am Ahmed Advocate, and that message will come, and that 20 minutes everybody has to see, because in future if drug anybody takes, or anybody involved in the drug activity, or anybody sells, or anybody encourages also, how severely he is punished and how his body is damaged, how his family is ruined. Everything will be explained by the CP sir very well. Kindly go through it. It is just I want to mention it. Thank you very much.
Hello? You want you come, please.
Please come.